When you're not being heard in your professional life, it is frustrating. Respect and acknowledgement are important to feel valued in your professional life. And it is frustrating to complete work, share it with your coworkers, only to feel ignored. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a professional, here are some things to keep in mind when you are feeling unheard. First of all, you want to acknowledge your emotions. It's okay to be frustrated, angry, and even hurt when your work is going unnoticed. Acknowledge those emotions and then take a step back, assess the situation. First of all, ask yourself, are you being paid fairly? Are you being given the opportunities to share your ideas and your work for that matter? If the answer is no to either one of those questions, it may be time to consider moving on. And if you have a question about that, let me know, and I will connect you with one of the best recruiting professionals I know. Second, don't take it personally. In some cases, feeling like you're being heard may not have anything to do with you at all. Perhaps your company is going through some budget cuts. Perhaps your boss is having a fight with his or her significant other, and they just don't want to be bothered with you today. It's okay. Whatever the reason may be, try not to take it personally. And I know that is hard. Believe me, that is probably the hardest thing on the planet to do. But instead, focus on what you can control. Remember, your attitudes and actions speak loudly about your person. Number 3, focus on your goals. If you are an entrepreneur, it can be really easy to get caught up in the day-to-day and you lose sight of your long-term goals. When this happens, take a step back and remind yourself of what you're working towards. This will help refocus your efforts and give you motivation to keep going. I invite you to a free workshop where I will be discussing being heard and how to move into the life that you desire with my 3 pillars of abundance. You will learn how your mindset, boundaries, and the itty-bitty committee in your head are the foundation for creating the most massive, powerful impact. Please go to leanneclass.com or click on the Eventbrite link in the comments below to reserve your spot now. Please take a moment to register because the space is limited. I look forward to seeing you there. Thursday, 4 p.m.